Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video let me show you a 613 Remy hair wig. And this is a 18 inches this frontal wig, 613 color, make of the Remy hair, which means this hair is more affordable, but this hair is still of great quality, which allow you to use a very long time without problem of shedding or tangling, no issue. And you can see how I comb this hair and see the movement for the wig. Sorry. And also the thickness of the hair. See the inside. This is actually a 13x4 lace frontal wig. You can see this is 13x4 lace frontal wig, and the inside has the comb and also the band will add it, and when you receive it you will have a band here to help you to adjust the size, and this elastic belt as well to let you adjust the size of the cap to fit well and make it glueless. And see how the hair is moved and the end fullness, and the frontal can be pre-plucked. So this is a Remy one, so of course you can tell us to do a version here, this frontal wig, and we can do that on different size, different lengths. We can all do that. So feel free to contact us or place your order on our website if you want 613 hair wigs. Also bundles and frontals are available. Feel free to place your order. Thank you for watching today's video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.